Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube with the account that you want to change. This ensures the theme applies to your profile. Next, click your profile icon in the upper right corner to open the quick menu and locate Settings. Once done, choose Appearance or Theme from the settings list so you can pick Light, Dark, or Device Theme. This step prepares the interface for the actual theme selection. Now you pick the specific theme option, Light, Dark, or Device Default, and you see the change immediately in the interface. Make sure to test a few pages like the Watch page and Home page so you confirm colors and contrast. This prevents readability issues. If you prefer System Sync, toggle the device theme so YouTube follows your OS settings, and use keyboard or browser shortcuts to quickly flip between themes while previewing. Finish by confirming the choice. Most changes apply instantly, but refresh the page if they don't. Make sure sync is enabled in your Google account so the theme carries across other devices. That saves repeated changes. If the theme won't stick, clear browser cache and cookies, update the app or browser, or reinstall the YouTube app. These steps usually fix stubborn display glitches. If problems persist, check extensions or accessibility settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.